morning students, welcome to Digital Learning. I am Manisha Kalra from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. I'll teach you maths and today we are going to take chapter 1 of class 6, that is knowing our numbers. In this chapter, the first exercise is based on the concepts which you have already done in previous classes. The first concept that we are going to start is comparison of numbers. You have already done this concept in your previous classes, but still we are going to have a quick recap of this concept. For explaining this, I have taken two numbers, 42,341 and 24,431. As already done, you know that the first step is to count the number of digits in both the given numbers. In this, we can clearly see that the number of digits in both the numbers is 5. So just by counting, we are not able to come to the conclusion that which number is greater. So the next step is by comparing the digits. We can see that the first digit in the first number is 4, whereas the first digit in the second number is 2. So clearly 4 is greater than 2 and we can say that 42,341 is greater than 24,431. Now come to the second example. The first number is 10,101 and the second number is 11,010. In this, both the numbers are having 1 at the first place. So we cannot say that which is greater. For this, we will come to the second digit. In the second place, the first number is having 0, whereas the second number has 1. So which is greater? 1 is greater than 0, and so clearly the second number is greater, that is 11,010 is greater than 10,101. So students, in this way we can compare any two given numbers and check that which of the two numbers is greater and which is smaller. Students, if you see the first exercise of your chapter, question number 1, of the two given numbers, which one is greater? This question is based on the concept which I have explained to you just now, that is comparison of numbers. Now see question number 2 and question number 3, that is arrange the following numbers in ascending order and arrange the following numbers in descending order. Both these questions are also based on the same concept, that is comparison of numbers, and you have already done these questions in your previous classes. So you will be definitely able to do these questions. So question number 1, 2 and 3 are based on the same concept. Now we move on to our next concept, that is forming numbers. Based upon this concept, you will find two different types of questions. The first type is forming numbers without repetition and the second is forming numbers with repetition. So based upon the first type, we have the question using the digits 9, 8, 3 and 7 form the greatest and the smallest number of 4 digits. So we can make a number that is consisting of 4 digits only and the 4 digits are given. Just you have to arrange these digits from greatest to smallest and from smallest to greatest. So we'll have the greatest number as 9873, that is 9873. And the smallest we will have 3789, that is 3789. Second type is forming the numbers with repetition of digits. For this we have taken the question using the digits 2, 3, 5 form the greatest and the smallest number of 5 digits. So for making a number of 5 digits with the 3 given digits, we will have to repeat a number 3 times. Now we have to decide which number we should repeat. So forming the greatest number, we will have to repeat the greatest digit, that is 5. So the greatest number becomes 55532, that is 55,532. And for forming the smallest number, we will have to repeat the smallest number, that is 2. So the smallest number becomes 22235, that is 22,235. So students, as you can see that question number 4 and 5 of the first exercise are based upon this concept of forming the numbers which I have explained just now. So you can do question number 4 and 5 also. Now students, we move on to the last concept of this exercise, which is again based on forming the number but with a condition that will be mentioned in the question. For example, I have taken this question using the digits 9, 8, 7, 4, 3. Form the largest number of 5 digits with 4 at tens place. In this question, we have a condition that 4 should be at tens place only. So, for making this number, we have to take the place values. So, I have written the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, as I have to make the number of 5 digits. So, keeping 4 fixed at tens place as it is given in the question, we have to arrange the other digits so that we get the largest number of 5 digits. So, starting from the largest digit, I have written 9, then 8, then 7, 4 was already fixed, and then I have written 3. So, the number became 98,743, and we have 4 at tens place as it was mentioned in the question. One more example I have taken the smallest number of 6 digits with 9 at hundreds place. Now we have been given only 5 digits and we have to make the number of 6 digits with the condition that 9 should be at hundreds place. So again I have written the places, but now I have written the places till lakh as I have to make the number of 6 digits. Now the place of 9 is already fixed, that is hundreds. So I have written 9 already there. Now we have to make the smallest number. So starting from the smallest digit and repeating it 2 times as we have to make a number of 6 digits. So I have written 3 2 times and then 4. 9 was already written. Then I have written 7 and then at last I have written 8. So the number becomes 334,978, that is 3,34,978. Students, question number 6 and 7 of your exercise are based upon the concept which I have told you just now. With this, we come to the end of the exercise. Thank you.